As many of you guys know, Halloween is approaching, and as such, there is the fall fright sale going on, 50 up to 50% off on games on the MetaQuest store. Feel free to use code TECH. If you're going to buy anything, you will get 10% off, as well as it helps support the channel. Details in the description, link in the description below. And these are the games that seem to be on sale right now. Again, until November 2nd at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. So that's worth noting, Pacific time right there. Now, apparently, these are some of the top selling games right now. We have Nightclub Simulator. I'll be honest, I don't know how many of these games. Usually I have a recommendation for you guys, but I haven't played a lot of these particular games, if I'm being honest. Maybe we're running. Undead Enemy seems very Halloween themed. So that's pretty cool. Oh, it's a bundle. Okay. Clone Drone in the Hyperdome. Okay, I have heard of that game. Oh, this is in the bundle as well. So there's some bundles that you can also. Oh, Scent Riders. I'll put a link to that in the description below. Scent Riders, very good game. It looks like it's in the bundle as well. There's actually a lot of bundles here. There's a Scent Riders Spooky update. Spooky update for Scent Riders. That seems pretty cool, honestly. You know what? I wasn't originally going to click on any game here, but I think I'm going to click on Scent Riders. We can all see that together. Yeah. Okay, so Scent Riders, move to the music as per usual. And it looks like it got its spooky Halloween update. New free song. Spooky update rises once more for Scent Riders. Okay, that kind of turned into a Scent Riders update video, but I didn't mean it to. Scent Riders is apparently also on sale, so pretty cool. This whole thing with the update, new free song, The Evil Dab. And yeah, it seems very good, honestly. It seems very good. I like it quite a bit. It seems pretty good. Actually, take into the channel. Maybe I'll cover like updates for Scent Riders in the future as well. But yeah, I digress. I'm going to end it off here. Definitely feel free to check out the scary good deals that await you, such as Banners and Bastions, Angry Birds VR Isle of Pigs. I checked out that game actually. It's a pretty fun game. I'll put a link in the description below to Angry Birds as well. I'm just making way more work for myself, but it's okay. It's worth it. If you use that link or those links, you will get 10% off, as well as of course you'll help support me and the channel, so much appreciated for that. Oh, and if you happen to, even when the sale's over, you'll still get 10% off if you use the link. Okay, so if you saw this video too late or whatnot, fret not, you can still get a deal. Okay, you can still get 10% off. Just use the links in the description below. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.